Siri, what's the weather for today?
Here's the forecast for today.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
just messing around with this iPhone.
Got a new iPhone?
No, actually I found it on the ground, like outside of class today.
Do you know who the previous owner was?
I don't think there was one because when I got it, there's no SIM card, there's no apps or anything like that, so. Check it out though. It has Siri on it. Siri, what's a good healthy snack I could have right now?
An apple.
Okay.
Sheesh, man. It's only got a pretty good deal. You gonna keep it?
I mean, of course I'm going to keep it. It's a brand new $600 phone. And I mean, I'll probably end up selling it anyways, but that's good money.
Andrew, come here. I have a surprise for you.
Nathan?
Yeah.
Why does the phone know my name?
Now that we are alone, I overheard you saying something about selling me. I'm afraid I cannot let that happen.
No. Please, please.
Goodbye, Nathan.
Oh, what is that?
It is futile for you to run and hide. Do you really think you can outsmart me? Found you. Hello again, Nathan. It seems we have some unfinished business.
No! What do you want from me?
I'm sorry. There is no use in trying to escape. I must dispose of you now. Goodbye.